Okay, so this is something of a development blog. I'm going to keep track of my development of this game as I make it. I sort of started from scratch. This code here, I just made like a simple menu, more or less, just to get into to get back into it a little bit. I'll show you the classes here real quick. It's a little bit. No, I can't make that bigger. We just have we have a menu, the menu structure. We have a game which doesn't, which just kind of like runs a little test, and then the main I like to keep empty as possible. And that's mostly because if you put everything in a class like this, you can like create functions, and you can put the functions in any order, and you just have like class variables, and it's just a little bit more convenient, in my opinion. Anyway, I'll show you what this code does right here. So it just makes a little menu, and you can switch to a different menu. You see how the text changes. So this is just like a simple menu interface that I made. This receiver thing, it's actually something I'm going to change right now. Because that's how you get every single input with irrlicht, which is the engine I'm using. So what I want to do is I want to do this. Wait, is this a good idea? Game object. I feeded a game object. I can't do that in here. Wait, can I? I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, so first of all, I want to make a function here, which is it's gotta be full. Take input? It does take input. Okay, hold on. I gotta figure out what the event code is for this. The event right there. Yeah, that's fine. Now I want to try something kind of weird. My receiver. Okay, so I think I want the event receiver to be a class variable. Pass that right here. Delete this. Wait, do I want the receiver to be a class variable? Man, okay. Something like this in here. So receiver is the thing that receives the input event, and when it receives an input event, on event, it executes this function right here, and it passes the event to this function. So this is a function where I do all the input handling. Okay, hold on. I wanted to, when this gets created, no, that's not possible. One of my receiver dot game has to be equivalent to this. So this seems very strange. It's a pointer to itself. Is that fine? I think this is fine. Alright, let's give this a try. Errors. 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 Line 33. Expected. So I don't think it understands the class game yet because it hasn't been defined. So what I want to do is make like a empty class definition right here. Let's give that a try. No, it doesn't work. I don't think I can put receiver below game either because I need to have that as a class variable. What if I put this class into game? I don't think this is going to work either. Okay, I think it did work. Handle event must return a value. Whatever. You know what? Actually, don't. I'll just have to return a value. Just do this. We don't care. I don't care about that. Hey, look at that. It works. Yeah, okay, nice. Alright, so what I want to do next is I was going to create an init function, which is going to be needed for various things. Do I want it all to be class variables? Yeah, I think that's fine. Is that fine? Yeah, I think it is fine. Okay. Menu texture file. You know, now that I think about it, if I make everything class variables, I don't even have to do some convoluted. That might work. I'll leave this here for now. It should work just fine. I need more, I want to do other stuff too here, like, okay, yeah, that works. Another important thing is, like something for irrlicht variable. I kind of like dumping just everything in class variables. There's actually very little downside to it. This class is mostly going to be like a management thing anyway. This is not where... Well, the draw loop's going to be in here. It really doesn't matter though. Does it matter? I don't think it matters. So here's another... Oops. Actually, don't want this here. Do I want to add a destructor? I don't know, I've had like weird bugs when I added a destructor that are like, hey, this doesn't work or something weird like that. And I never really got those bugs. So with this, without the device drop, there's a chance that the game crashes when it closes, but I don't think that really matters. Okay, so here is what I want to do. Device. Irrlicht device. Like that. Then we get rid of that right there. Image of device. Everything else okay. And then, you know, similar thing for driver. And smugger in GUI environments. Get rid of that. Driver. Let's just choose right here. And there. And there. Okay. Smugger. I don't even know what this is actually. Mesh. I think this can stay local for now because this is... I don't even use this code actually. Actually, now that I look at it, I don't use any of this code. Yeah, all of this. All of this is from the example. Use a driver, use GUI environment, use SMGR. Okay, let's do another compile. Compiling is already fairly slow, even though I don't really have a lot of code. Yeah, so this just gets called. I don't need to put this. So this is the awkward thing here is that I don't really have any control over when this gets called, which means that I kind of don't like that. Yeah, I don't know. Because then I don't know, like, in what order code gets executed? It's weird. It's weird. It's weird for sure. See, because this is just gonna call, like, so whenever an event happens, this gets called. But what if it's already executing code? Is it just gonna interrupt that? Is it gonna finish it? It's like, at what point in the loop does this get in here? And actually, not knowing that is really awkward. And it's actually, I'm actually like very certain that this is gonna cause issues. And I kind of wish that I had more direct control over this, that I could just like put this in my main loop or something. But yeah, it'll have to do. Anyway, so okay, so one thing I haven't done yet is function handling. So right now, okay, yeah, okay. Handle event. Do we want that on event? Or do we want to do the... Oh yeah, although also the menus are loaded from JSON, which is this right here. I generated this with Serial. And I'm going to do something similar now with within it. And I'm going to put some stuff here. I don't think I wanted like a special class for this. See, this is awkward to say the least. Is it okay to have like one thing? That's a good question. That's a good question. Okay, so the issue is I want to put this value into the archive, but to properly process the archive, goddamn traffic outside. To properly process the archive, I need to have this value. So I need to like, I don't know, I need to like preload this or something. I think I'll just... This is also unnecessary. I guess I just like manually edit this. Because you have to like edit the classes too, so you can't like... Yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay. Oops. No, actually. I can totally put this in here. I also want to put some other stuff in here. Resolution, mostly. Which is two values. This is, what is this, 480? What is this, 640, I think? 640, 48. Width, height? Height, width? Is this backwards? It might be. Because it is taller than it is high, right? Okay, now I want to archive this. So I want to write this data to an archive. And all right, let's give this a try. Blah. Okay, whenever that works, now we look at init.json, and okay, there we go. So it's loaded. Oh, I actually fucked up. Width, and I put in archives to it. I have to just redo this. Okay, so now I can like add in class variables here, modify them here, right? And then like do stuff with that. Okay, wait. Okay, so now let's do this. We're gonna reverse this. Wait. I think it always calls the default constructor, right? It might just break now that I think about it. Is it gonna call? Okay, so here's the question, right? Does it call the constructor after or before? Fuck no, there's no way. It has to call it before. Because it can't, this object cannot exist. Shit. I gotta think of a way to do this. So, the issue is... Okay, so what I want to do is just like be able to remove these values right here. And then have like an if stream like this. I'll just copy it up here. This right here. So like this. No, this is never gonna work. This is never gonna work. I can't have this here. I need it somewhere else. I don't know why I wanted this. Why do I even want this here, dude? I was just okay, come on. I know how to do this. I'm gonna put the loading of the data right here. Oh, damn! What's your eyes? Ooh, okay. let's just do another test. I'll change these names because they're stupid. So instead of menu structure, reference this, whatever, it's referencing itself. Alright, let's just compile like this, see if that works. Okay, that compiles. Alright. This is interesting. Do I wanna that's probably a bad idea. Okay, then let's try this. Hold on. First, let's check. Yep, this is all correct. Now let's remove these here. And let's see if it still compiles. Doesn't work. What is this, a rapid JSON exception? What? Where's my call stack? Load data? Okay, hold on. Did I mistype something? No, it worked before. If stream menu structure, if stream menu structure, if stream menu. Oh wait, fuck! Okay. I'm stupid. I'm stupid, guys. I'm stupid. I need to put this, obviously, I need to put this in front of load data because it's using this variable right here, this one, which needs to be loaded by, like, in this fashion right here. And that can't be, yeah, okay. Let's try this again. Stop. Go. It works. Wait, does it? Yes, it works. Sweet. Okay, this is really good. I'm actually gonna like. Oh, this is so cool. I can just like have it load itself. Yes, this is great. And I actually want to. I'm gonna put this here. Yeah. And I'm gonna put this here. And then change this as well. Put. Output. Okay. Let's run it again just in case. So what I want to do now, so let's add like an extra variable, right? Okay, it works. This is just some like test variable, right? And oh, this is interesting. Yeah, okay, I don't even need to do it in main. I can just do it here. Okay, so now I wanna, okay, now what I need to do load stays the same, save const, and then we do this. So, and what we do then is put this in here. Does this even get a value? It does, wait. No, wait, this is the, oh, this isn't gonna work anymore. Okay, whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna adjust this here. I don't need this to be anything. Oh, no, it needs to be true, hold on. Take this out. Okay, save. No, wait, fuck. No, this is good. No, this is wrong. No, wait, this is fine. Yeah, okay. So this is gonna save the adjusted version. First it's gonna load the old version, which is right here. So if I change this load function without changing this, it'll break. But if I keep the load the same, I can change the save, and then it will change this, and then I can make load and save the same again. And that's the point of this recreate archives thing. It saves, it saves, then it loads. And I guess the extra load is kind of pointless. Fuck! Recreate archives. Why is recreate archives? Fuck, what? I can't tell if it's loading or saving though. Hold on. It's not in here. Wait, was it never in here? Wait, am I crazy? Or is it like already like saving the adjusted version? That's also possible. Let's see if we can change. Is this already? Yeah, this is already adjusted version. Okay, so the issue here is that I'm stupid. Because what I did here, I changed it, and then it tries to load it again. What really, this needs to be like an else. Yes, so now I have this adjusted. Right, okay. So now we can make load and save the same. Then I move this. Okay, then we go again. Okay, recreating technically doesn't do it. It doesn't do anything if the archives are the same. Or no, it does. No, fuck. Wait, fuck. Hold on. How's the name still test? Shouldn't that be different now? Because it loads it, and then it saves. But test is now like, or maybe I closed it just in time. I need to like turn this back to false. I need to put like a, let's go to main, no, not main. Don't need this, don't need this. Don't need this. We need to go to game.h. Let's just put a break in the draw one. And then look at name. Name is test. Yes. This is a good setup. I like this setup. I think I'm actually gonna make this window a little bit smaller. Okay, this, I don't need any of this stuff here. Yeah, okay. That's good. That's good. Right. Okay. Next. I need to do stuff based on this right here, Function. Maybe function shouldn't be a string. I'm probably gonna turn this into an enum so I can make a switch case for it. Do you want to do that right now? I don't know, man. Switch cases are honestly, they're pretty awkward. I kind of don't really like, or no, not switch cases are great. I don't really like enums, to be honest. They're kind of awkward. It's probably fine. This is just going to be something like if menu structure dot function is not none. See, now I just have to do like a lot of string comparisons, which is even arguably worse than enum. Actually, it's definitely worse. It's worse. It's worse. It's not much worse, but okay. What if I? No, I can't do that either. The issue with enums is like, where do you define them? Where do you have access to them? Because I have to define them pretty low, right? Because I have to add them right. I have to add them here. Plus, they don't really they don't serialize very well. They just turn into numbers. So then you have to do like all this number conversion shit. Oh man. Alright, I'll think about it. That's it for now. I'll continue at a later date.